I'm going to be showing you how to change the mass airflow sensor in your Grand Am, and now this can be used for several of the other General Motors cars with a 3.4, but I have the Grand Am here to show you. Now the mass airflow sensor, or the MAF, M-A-F, it will basically read the mass flow of air coming through it, through the intake tube before it reaches the engine, so that it can properly determine the amount of fuel to dump. Now, it is also used since temperature and air pressure can change the density of the air. It adjusts as that changes, so it should run more efficiently. Now, when you have a bad mass airflow sensor, you can actually have trouble starting it, stalling after the vehicle has been started, jerking during acceleration, hesitation during acceleration, running too lean or too rich. So, a few problems with it, but guess what? The part may be somewhat expensive, but you don't have to pay a shop to change it yourself. You can actually do that yourself in your driveway, because it is probably one of the more easier ones to change. Really quick, really easy. So I'm just going to show you how to do it real quick. So let's get to it. Now, our new one is right here. I'm going to show you real quick while this is out. Number one, you don't want to touch that or any of that in there. Avoid touching that. And you see there is an arrow right there. That is the direction of the air going in. So you want to make sure that is pointed towards the throttle body. So air comes in this way, goes that way to the throttle body. Pretty simple. Now let's get the old one out. Now, air box, there it is. You can see this one's pretty old and dirty. I don't think this one has ever been changed in the life of the vehicle. We're going to loosen this and that one. Pull the tab up. Now then, you can use a flathead on these screws to get the airbox lid off, but I'm going to be lazy. Use this. Slide that right on out. Sometimes this will come off on the airbox or on the sensor, but put it back on the airbox. A little twist if it's stuck, there it is. That's pretty simple. Alright, now grab the new one. And a lot of these, they'll say new, but they're really rebuilt. But slide that in right there. Go ahead and plug it in right now. It's because slide this under there. Get it lined up. Might actually be easier to pop that on like that. Let's try it like that. There we go. Make sure that seals where it should be. You can tighten down the airbox lid. tighten down the clamps. Just make sure that they are where they should be. Make sure it's pulled all the way up when you tighten it down. That way you know it's going to seal properly. Make sure there ain't no wiggle in this. Airbox may wiggle with those tabs because sometimes they break and wear out. There we go. Simple as that. Now honestly, that was pretty simple and easy to do. It's on there. That is an easy one to change, and it affects so much on your engine that it's probably one of the more ones you need to look at, especially if your code comes up for it. But if you have some of the other symptoms, maybe that. Now, of course, hopefully this thing will pick up power and economy again, because running too rich, it will, of course, lose fuel economy. Now, said no reason obviously to take it to a shop. You can do it yourself. Just don't actually touch the inside of the sensors at all, and you're good. I hope this information proved helpful. As always, thanks for watching.